Alam ba, Delivers, 2008, Starbucks. The CEO, Sir Howard Schultz, temporarily closed the operations of 7,100 stores in US para lang i-retrain ang mga barista nila. Kasi gusto ni Sir Howard yung coffee experience, Starbucks experience, manatili sa store niya. And that same year, he closed 600 stores of Starbucks to address the different challenges na na-experience ng Starbucks that time. Anong makukuha nating lesson dito sa pangyayari na to? That in business, mahalaga pa rin po ang quality. Mahalaga pa rin ang quality experience ng iyong clients. It doesn't matter kung isa lang ang store mo, dalawa lang ang store mo, pero nananatili ang yung services na maayos, nananatiling satisfied ang mga clients mo, at yung ipinangako mong culture or experience na kukuha pa rin ng mga clients mo. Kaya deliver sa ating po lahat na may negosyo, review your services. Review your barista performance. Review your shop performance. Review natin ano yung services natin towards our clients. Satisfactory pa ba? O nandiyan pa ba yung kultura na gusto natin? Review natin. Let's go. Kape po tayo.